Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install VMware Workstation Pro in your Windows PC. VMware Workstation Pro is a software that allows you to run multiple operating systems in your single computer. So search for download VMware Workstation. Click on the very first link that appears like download now VMware, Fusion and Workstation. Click on download now button. It will redirect you to a new website that is called broadcom.com. So you have to create an account in broadcom.com. If you don't have an account, click here and register for an account. You have to put your email address and this captcha here and click next. After, you have to enter a password, very strong password, or it will give you a verification code on your email. After that, you can log in here simply. Here I have a account in this broadcom.com, so I am going to just sign in. Click on next. After creating your account in broadcom.com, enter your password and click sign in. Okay, uh, it will redirect to a page that looks like this. Click softwares and mainframe software, then click on dashboard, my dashboard, and click my downloads here. My network is too slow. So if you want to download VMware Workstation, click on All Division and search for only VMware and click here Show Results. Free software downloads available. Click here also. Scroll down and you will find VMware Workstation Pro. Click on it. Okay, this is the latest VMware Workstation Pro 26H1 for Windows, and this is for Linux users, and this is 25H2 for Windows. This is the last version. This is the last version, and this is the older version of this software. But we are going to download VMware Workstation Pro 17.0 for Windows because this is a stable version that allow us to work in VMware Workstation very quickly and faster. But this is not stable. Okay, this is just recently come, so I am going to download 17.0 for Windows. Click on it, and this is the last release 17.6.4. Click on it. Okay, if you want to download this VMware Workstation Pro, you have to click on I agree terms and condition. Click on terms and condition. After that, you can click here. Got it. Click on here. It's a download button. Prior to downloading for file, additional revision will proceed. Click yes. Fill this form as faster as you can. It's not mandatory. So I'm going to just city Kolkata instead. Click on submit. I agree and then click on submit. Company name NONE. None. Wait few times. It will redirect you again to the page, to the past page. Click again download button. Okay, the download is started. So wait few minutes. Our download has been completed. Go to the file and double click on it. Click on yes. Click on next. Accept the license agreement and click next. Also check the box and click next. Let's confirm the installation path and click next. Also create shortcut on desktop and start menu. Click next. Click install and wait few times. Click on finish. Go to the search bar and search for VMware. Click open and here we go. We have now VMware Workstation Pro installed successfully and it is ready to use. And if you have other query or any other suggestion, feel free to comment below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Thank you.